How to increase Telegram download speed. I'm going to show you how you can optimize your Telegram settings to save time and data in this tutorial. So to get started, open your Telegram app. Go to Settings and tap Data and Storage. Once you're directed to this page, check the Automatic Media Download section. Tap the Using Cellular field. Under Data Usage, drag the data usage bar to your right to maximize your data usage. Tweaking your data usage to the highest setting ensures that bottlenecks are avoided while you're downloading. Tap on Media Settings and toggle all fields. We'll do the same process on your Wi-Fi download settings. Hit back twice and go to Using Wi-Fi. Set data usage to the highest setting. Go to Videos and All Files to toggle all fields.